Topic: matrices. A matrix is an arrangement of numbers of values in rows and columns. The row is the horizontal arrangement, while the column is the vertical arrangement. Types of matrices: we have a square matrix. This is the type of matrix that has the same number of rows and columns. We have column matrix, the type of matrix that has only one column. And we have row matrix. This one has only one row. We have identity matrix. It's a matrix whose elements are not more than one. Given that P is equal to minus 2, 4, minus 4, 3, 1, minus 3, minus 4, 2, minus 1, and Q equals 1, minus 1, 0, minus 3, 2, 4, minus 1, 2, 4. Evaluate A, 2P plus Q. B, 3P transpose minus Q. C, determinant of P. D, determinant of Q transpose. The solution is given as follows. 2P equals minus 4, 8, minus 8, 6, 2, minus 6, minus 8, 4, minus 2. So when you add both, we have minus 3, 7, minus 8, 3, 4, minus 2, minus 9, 6, minus 1. That is 2P plus Q. B, 3P transpose. 3P transpose is equal to minus 6, 9, minus 12, 12, 3, 6, minus 12, minus 9, minus 3. When we subtract it from Q, we have minus 7, 10, minus 12, 15, 1, 2, 0, minus 11, minus 4. Determinant of P. That is minus 2, open bracket, minus 1 plus 6, minus 4, open bracket, minus 3 plus 2, minus 4, open bracket, 6 plus 4. When we simplify that, we have 10. To do this, when I'm picking minus 2, I will eliminate all the numbers in the same horizontal line with minus 2 and the same vertical line with minus 2. Then pick the remaining numbers. Do the same thing for minus 4, the same thing for minus 4. So we'll do that. Our answer becomes 50 minus 40, which is 10. Determinant of Q transpose becomes 1 bracket 2 minus 5 plus 3 bracket minus 1 plus 0 minus 1 bracket minus 4 plus 0. Using the same method above, we have minus 5. Inverse of a matrix. Given the matrix P equals 1, 3, minus 4, 2, find the inverse of P. Solution. First find the determinant of P, which is 2 plus 12, which is 14. Then inverse of P becomes 1 over 14. Then you interchange the leading diagonal and introduce minus to the second diagonal, which will give us 1 over 14, open 2 minus 3, then 4 and 1. Find the inverse of Q if Q is 2 minus 4 minus 3 and 5. Following the same pattern, we have minus 5 over 2, minus 2, minus 3 over 2, and minus 1. Further questions. If 2, 3, minus 1, 4, open bracket, x, y is equal to 2 and 4, find x and y. Solution. This will give us a simultaneous equation. That is 2x plus 3y equals 2 and minus x plus 4y equals 4. When we solve simultaneously, as we discussed earlier, we arrive at y equal to 10 over 11 and x equals minus 4 over 11. Also, given that 1, x, 2, and 4 is equal to minus 10, find the value of x. So when you determine the right hand side, we have minus 2x equals minus 14. So x equals 7. That brings us to the end of the topic, matrices.